guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Guys, I didn't like how I sounded in this part, so basically I was just telling y'all I'm getting ready for my trip. Basically I was just going to get my nails done, my eyebrows waxed, and I also was just telling y'all how my mom was going to do my hair later on that day.
Hey guys, I just got ready, my hair is done. I'm packing everything and I'm going to clean my room and get everything situated, and then we're going to be on the road. Bye, see y'all in a few, okay? Bye. Hey guys, I'm back and we're getting ready to go. We just finished fixing up the car and I got my glasses on. My hair is finally done, as you can see.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us.
Finally made it, guys, and I'm so excited. But anyway, we're here, guys, and we're finally here. I'm so excited. But yeah, let me tell you something. Tell me why my dog is already being bad at home. Like, she is over here. I'm finna go get her stuff. We just saw the room, and we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be litty. But yeah, here. But yeah, I may see y'all maybe a day up, or let me see y'all tomorrow, or let me get some food. But bye. Hey guys, I'm gonna take me a shower and we just got back really happy. The food was so good and the service was top tier. No way with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach, go to mom and we're gonna tea. I think we'll sleep tomorrow too. I don't know, but yeah, that's all for today. Yeah, I'm so excited for this trip and to have all the fun. So yeah. Bye. Hey guys, I just got in the shower and I just got ready to let me show you my cute pajamas. As you can see, I'm super cute. And if you want to know where I got them from, I got them from Forever 21. And it's literally so cute and comfy. And look at my little bows. Yeah, so that's the outfit and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys. By the way, we missed breakfast, so we just ate our leftovers from Applebee's. And we're gonna get ready to go see the beach and get some stuff in the store. So I'll see y'all in a few. Bye. Yeah, Walmart, y'all. I sent this stuff. At the beach, guys. Say hi to the wild mommy.
How far it go?
Yeah.
We at the beach, y'all. Hey. Y'all made that one?
Yeah. I'm coming near you.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two turns, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the
They got the lawful liquids.
Tell me how have you seen nothing? It was about 5 minutes ago. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he alive.
You don't like the idea of the outside.
Beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think money without happiness. I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always.
Hey guys, I'm sorry for not updating y'all on everything, but yesterday we went to Universal Studios, and let me tell you, Universal Studios wore me out. Like, my legs was hurting for standing up for long periods of time, even my knee and my feet. And let me see, don't wear no Vans to university. Wear some comfortable shoes. Cause me, I was like, you know what? I think my Vans are some comfortable shoes. Cause you know I want to look cute in my outfit, but you know it's okay. Oh look, I got henna on my hand, and it's so cute, and it's gonna still darken. The lady told me it's supposed to be red, but it's looking orange right now. But she told me it's gonna start off as orange anyway. But it takes like 24 hours to 48 hours to darken. But anyway, guys, today me and my mom are gonna go to Wonderworks. I think that's what it's called. And we'll go to the Outlet Mart and we'll go out to eat today. I'm getting dressed, as you can see, but I'm almost ready. So my mom is currently in the shower right now. But anywho, but I had fun yesterday. It was a lot of fun. And the food at Harry Potter World was so good. Like, it was really busting. I didn't really record it, but I got pictures and stuff, so I stopped some picture in here somewhere. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm done getting ready. Bye. This is the workout heels. I'm gonna show y'all my shoes because I'm cute.
I don't know, I think so.
It's an earthquake that registers 5.3 on the Richter scale.
Bruh, because I pressed the green button. This one, I'm taking a quiz. Ooh, I got the correct again.
You pick anything
I just guessed. Oh, I got that wrong. Oh wow.
Oh, I did not know that. Good to know.
Yeah. Who gonna move there?
Okay.
Dang, mommy, they don't like you. All right, your last question, mommy. Oh wow.
I know how.
Yeah.
Resulting in 2,500 deaths and approximately $89.6 billion in damages. The winds in this simulator only reach up to 74 miles per hour. Imagine being caught in winds greater than the ones you are about to experience. Get ready.
Yep. Oh, magic school bus. What? I just guessed. That's all it does for a dog?
Players activating.
Hey guys, today is my last day. I'm sorry for not, checking up on y'all. The video's almost done right now, so don't mind her. But, today is my last day. I'm leaving tomorrow, and I had so much fun, and I'm gonna miss Florida, so I gotta go back to Atlanta. But it's fine though, I had fun, but I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. Today is our first day here. And we're gonna go eat some breakfast, and we're heading back to Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah, but I had so fun on this trip, and I enjoyed it a lot. And I'm gonna miss it here. And I may move here one day. Maybe I may move somewhere in Florida. But look at my henna; it's darkening so much. But yeah. But for all of y'all who's on spring break, I wish good vibes on you guys on my trip and all positive vibes. That's all I wish for you guys. And may God bless y'all all. But yeah, I have school next week, but one day is a virtual day. So I still kind of got an off day. Yeah, hopefully for the rest of this year, good things happening, traveling, and this all positive and good vibes. Okay? But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to breakfast, and then when we get on the road, that's the end of the vlog. Bye.